One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and what I've got here for you today is a project car. It's a beautiful 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. It's one of the only years that has a really cool option with the indicator in the back quarter. This car is clean. It's just a project clean. It's not get in it and drive it home clean. It's a project clean. And down the sides, it's a straight car. There's a little bit of issues along the bottom of the door right there. The fender you can see. Look at this indicator. Just absolutely sweet. Nice profile, I guess you'd say. It's got the little bit of corrosion around the trunk in certain areas, but it's not all rusted out or anything like that. It's a clean car overall as far as projects go. It gets this kind of stuff in between where the, the fender skirts are. But it's a clean, straight car. There's so much trim on this car, and the water gets under it, that's where it starts developing problems on some of this. But around the fenders, otherwise, it's clean. Even the inside chrome trim and stuff. Woo, buddy. Nice car. If you're interested, you can check it out on my website, oneownercarguy.com. It's a quick review. If you want to see the full review where I open the doors, go through all the stuff and everything, check my other channel, CerealMarshmallows, here on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and all that. Daily vlogs, daily videos on the CerealMarshmallows channel. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.